and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is April the 21st, 2023, and we're going to be transplanting one of my, I believe it's pronounced Cineraria seedlings here. And I have a 1 quart container here that is filled with Miracle-Gro potting mix. So I've roughed the root system up on this a little bit. And what that does is that's going to allow the roots to spread out and to continue growing out instead of growing in a circle. So you do want to watch these on how much you water them, because the stems will rot if you get too much water. So it is something to keep in mind with this one here. And you could put these right into a planter if you wanted to. I would do a 1 in an 8-inch planter and 2 in a 10-inch planter, because they do get pretty large. These are used for cut flower production. They have beautiful flowers on them. And we just got our shipment of ladybugs today. We needed some more ladybugs, so we're going to be doing a ladybug release hopefully later on today. They're down in the basement right now. I'm just waiting for the proper time of day to release them, and I do plan on doing a video on that. So we're going to get this watered here, and I'm going to get it labeled. Now I like to let my water run out the bottom. This helps to get out any air pockets. You can see we have some air pockets right here. So we're going to fill in around this here. Just going to go and fill in around here. A little bit more water here. And there we go. I'm going to get this labeled here, and as these continue to grow, I'm going to come back with more video updates, and I will show them to you. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. I'll tell you as I put a new video on. Also follow me on Twitter. I have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye!